Hi there, Robin here today, and we've got the VIVOSUN. This is the 3-in-1 meter, which of course is going to check everything we need to know all about this grass in front of us and hopefully fix that problem in the back. So there you go. We're going to take it out of the package, stick it in the ground, and see how it works. We're talking about this guy right here. I'm talking about the meter. That's my dog. That's Oliver right there. And we're going to try and find out why the grass keeps dying. I'm a little worried over here that, well, it's getting drier than the rest of the yard. So we're going to put this meter in the ground and see how it works. Oliver's not going to pee on this. That's the whole plan. And there we go. So it's on moisture, and it appears to say that it's good. So there's something else going on with the lawn here, because look, the lawn looks great here, but just here, and this isn't where he pees, by the way, that would be over there. He pees over there and he rolls around over there. So the idea here is to figure out what's going on. And of course, the first thing I need to do is see if the meter works. Now let's check the actual pH level. Now that might be the problem right there. We'll take a closer look at that and see if we can't figure it out. But again, does it work? Absolutely. This is the 3-in-1 meter, and there you go. It's going to hopefully solve our problems. Just move this around the yard and we'll make sure everything's good. So there we go. As a recap, we've got 3 settings on it, and of course we have got the moisture. We've got a light sensor, so it measures how much light this grass is actually getting at any particular time, and that's the center one, which tells me good light. And then of course the last one is the actual pH level, which is all the way down, in this case down to 1 and 2. It's sitting at 2. So we're going to look that up and see how we're doing. But that's exactly how this meter works. Just push it down, just pass into the moisture area. So in this case, because this is new grass, new sod, I went and pushed it down about 4 inches to make sure I got in the dirt. And there we go. We're all set. Well, I hope this video helped you out today. Maybe we'll see you in the next one. Let's say thanks for watching. Bye for now.